Rahul Gavai. I'm an GIS data analyst. So today we will learn about how to mosaic satellite images in Python using Jupyter notebook. Okay, just we have to click on the Jupyter notebook, which is anaconda 3, and after clicking this black window will come off, and we have to see your Jupyter notebook will be open in a Chrome browser or any your default browser. So if you want to add new folder or you want to create a folder, you can click on the folder. Otherwise we can use your previous folder. So my previous folder is AUS, so I will click on AUS, and already I have created a file which is example. So I am creating the raster mosaic. So it will be open in another tab. So this is the Jupyter interface. First there we can add these are the cells, and we have to import some libraries. The important library is rasterio. It is using for the satellite images or like raster feature or raster dataset. We can use for rasterio, and we can also import the matplotlib. It is for the plotting your images or your data, and you also import glove and OS. And after that we can matplotlib inline function, which is your display your result below the code. So for that we use the matplotlib inline. Okay, so first we will set the path for your folder, which is include your satellite images. So we have two different types of images. Both are the TIFF format and both are the same in adjacent imagery. So it is start with the letter L, and the format is TIFF format. So this we can first give the path for your folder, which is here. I can see I put my all the satellite images in Rahul test. So I will open that folder, and you will see there are two satellite images, which is a multiple band. One is L3NE43H07 and second one is L3NE43H11. So these are the two satellite images. So I will import, or I will set this folder to my directory path. So just copy this directory path and paste it to here. Okay, up to paste. And second, your output path for your mosaic dataset. So I just mentioned the name of there, mosaic.tiff. And after that we have search criteria, which is for search for file which is name start from capital L and which is format is TIFF. So all file which is start from L and format.tiff will be uploaded here. Okay, so L star dot tiff. L means you're starting from name for your L, like this one, starting from L, and your format is TIFF. So it will be open in the window. And after that we put the star means all the files, and after that we can join the path and your folder. Okay, so it will be joined like this. Your folder plus lstore.tif means your all the files which is start from the L. After that we will use the global function for listing your files, which is we have different types of bands like 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be, this is for global function, it will be listed in satellite images. Okay, so after that we can display the two satellite images. So first I will display the band 2 and band 3. So band 2 I will take from the L3NE43H07, and the second 3 band I will take from the another images. So just copy and you can paste here. So band 2 is equal to rasterio dot open, means it will be open your band or satellite image. So you can write the function like rasterio dot open, and you can give the path from your band. So this is L3NEH07 band 2, and band 3 which is our 43H11. Okay, so after that we can plot that bands 2 and 3. So these are we can see the two bands, one from one satellite imagery, and second from another satellite imagery, which is our adjacent imagery. So we'll be going to mosaic both of them, and after that we can you start the mosaic of them. Okay, first we created empty list data file that will be the mosaic. After open all the files in a read mode, this means we have all opened all bands, and so these are the plotting we have already done. You can just run and it will show your banded two bands. After that we have listed the imagery band wise, and now we are going to be mosaicing using the mosaic merge function. Mosaic out trans is equal to merge source. It will take the source file to mosaic. After that we have write, or we can save the mosaic file into your folder, which is we have created folder, and we have already given the name mosaic.tif. So after you clicking on that cell, it will be run the mosaic dataset. So this is rasterio.open. We can open that mosaic.tif file, and it will show in the plot. So it will show here only the image, means like picture, and not in data in there. So now we can open this mosaic.tif image into RGS or QGIS. So I'm using here. So this is our output mosaic.tif image. I will open in RGS. So just copy this path and now add into ArcMap, or if you add into like QGIS, you can add also in QGIS. So mosaic, this is my output, so I will add here, and you can see we have mosaic this images using the rasterio. Thank you. And if you want any query, then you can write to mail me rahul.unipune@gis@gmail.com. Thank you.